What it do, bitches? Welcome to the filth. Anyways, welcome to this cooking with chef. I'm not sure what iteration I am. I think I'm 17. Whatever. And so I've decided to make this because it's been a while. You know, it's been like a couple months, and you probably want to know where I've been. And the thing is, after making like 100 videos, which I just play a bunch of video games no one really gives a shit about, I had an existential crisis, and then
What the fuck is that?
So yeah, that happened. So I decided, I should probably bring myself back into society somehow, and I'm gonna make you guys something with my friend that I unbanished from the flavor realm. And where is he? Where'd he go? Hey! Come on, get your ass up! This is my friend, Anti-Chef. So yeah, call for help. So people were fucking yelling at us, and they didn't want us to give us their glory of chef. So we're over here now for whatever reason. So yeah, we're gonna cook now, and tu sabes cómo cocinar, sí? Oh yeah. It's good. Shit. Wunderbar. Well, that doesn't sound good. Since neither of us know how to cook, we're gonna have to do this. We're just gonna figure it out as we go. And we also need some ingredients, so we're gonna go get that right now. Now that we have everything, including some secret ingredients, we can now begin. Oh shit. So we don't have a mixer. Shai Shogu Shonkei Hoi! Ah, fuck! Alright. Let's do this. Alright, it calls for slave. Get that. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm doing this for you, chef. Alright. Put it in there. It'll all be sifted together, I guess, once we're done with this. Alright. You push, I'll swallow. Yes. Yeah. Give me a minute. How much more do we have? We still have one more cup. Oh, fuck. It's like fucking cocaine everywhere, man. All right, well, after that, horribleness. We have 1 cup, 1 teaspoon of salt. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah, I know. All right, I'll vomit in there if I need to. I think I got some flour in my lungs. I'm gonna slowly become a cake during this. This is gonna be like a fly. Sai Shogu Shonkei Hoi! All right, yeah, you do a little bit of sugar.
You don't have diabetes yet, do you? Well, if you don't, you're already gonna get it from this, I think. And I'm gonna get like fucking lung cancer or something from this. I'm gonna tell you right now, I have not regretted a single thing in my life. Well, actually, no, maybe one thing. Shin Sukaiski. But this is one that I've regretted. You asshole! Just here. Eat. There you go. Are you good, buddy? Are you gonna vomit? do it in there if you need to. He didn't have lunch, but I did. Come on, buddy, you can do it. You just gotta believe in yourself. That was assault.
Sideshow goo, shonkei hoi! Fuck!
2 teaspoons.
Okay, so I can do this. Fucking 2 teaspoons.
No, just one. Just one of that, and then 2 teaspoons of the soda. Did I
What
pull
is
up?
this?
That's baking powder. Do you not know your baking powder and soda? Oh shit, I forgot to grab baking. You go do that, I'll be back. What did you?
All right, when you start vomiting, I'm definitely gonna start vomiting. I think.
Did you did the baking powder? I guess I gotta take the baking soda down.
Oh.
It's like a sand consistency. It's got a little salt in there. It's like beach sand. I've never eaten sand before. Definitely. Am I bleeding? My nose bleeding. Alright, well, we got that down now. Oh god. 3/4 baking cocoa. Nasty motherfucker. How much is that? I won the cake. Dude, are you okay? How much is that? It's enough. I am. I am. Fuck. It's fucking dirt. I think I wanna kind of clean the pipe. I wanna clean the pipes a little. You good, buddy? You good? Don't worry, buddy. We'll get some more. Dude, my finger went far down. But I didn't really gag that much. It'd be great at sucking dick. Wait, no. That's about like, is that about 3 inches at most? Maybe 4? Probably about, that's about 4. Please, sir. Can you stop spitting my cake? Just vomit in there if you did.
Well, I think that's enough for Coco, I think.
Ugh.
What do you say, man?
We haven't even gotten to the secret ingredients yet.
Oh, God. Fuck you. Fuck you, David. I regret getting those
Can I
secret
wash
ingredients.
my face in your bowl?
There's a shower over there.
I'm gonna vomit again.
Just vomit in there.
I know. Nothing, man. What the hell's going on with me? Nothing.
And I thought I would hold up.
A chef's dilemma. We should go see. We need to go see Burnt.
How much fucking oil?
That's a cup. Cup of hot. We're not doing the coffee. Fuck the coffee.
One cup of vegetable oil.
That's a cup. That's good enough. That's good enough to a cup. I mean, not enough.
Drink it. Just go.
You fucking drink that? Dude, how do you not vomit? It's smooth. It's smooth. All right. You have to enjoy it like a fine wine. All right. Like a fine toilet wine.
Nothing. Still nothing. What the hell? Look at what we have. Look for what we have next, buddy. I'll try to vomit. Okay, I think we got enough milk. We'll add more as we need to go.
2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
All right, you want to do the vanilla extract?
Yes. Thank you.
Are you okay?
It's fucking liquor. Okay, 2 eggs.
Oh God.
You want to do one egg and I'll do the other?
Yeah.
Cheers.
I can't fucking crush it. It's too powerful for me. Fuck it. Which is a bitch.
Mine's.
Is your rotten?
No, mine's open. You need to vomit. Have the other one.
Oh God.
Open your head.
Wow, you fucking missed.
He is the new god.
You want me to try to put my finger down my throat again?
That's hot.
Well, I guess that's a marketable thing now, ladies.
Stop spitting in the fucking cake.
This is my cake. I can do whatever the hell I want to it.
Yes. Those are egg whites.
Oh, those are egg whites?
Unless your spit is that viscous.
I don't think so. I haven't eaten any semen the past couple days either, so I mean. Now we're chef after dark. I was really hoping that would be a vomit right there.
Now that you've vomited up enough semen, let's move on to the special ingredients.
You go get some special ingredients. We'll do our sponsor first. So I'm gonna add some flour because I can't vomit. I think it's flour. So this broadcast is brought to you by Arby's. Because at Arby's, life is meaningless and we're all gonna die one day. So enjoy Arby's. Okay.
So what do we got here?
Mountain Dew. And
Some cherry turnovers. All right, put one in there. Just drop it in there. And go to the oven up. Arby's, because when your colon needs an enema, and you need to do it on a budget, it's a nice recipe. And then what was that? That wasn't Mountain Dew, was it?
ass.
Yeah, ass flavor. We have gamer fuel in there. Extra egg. Oh god. Oh fuck me. And we got basic white girl drink. Now, since we're both pro legalization, we're gonna get turnt while we're eating this cake.
Every time I smoke the kush, I watch the flames burn just like the kush.
Every time I hit the bong, I need to scream.
Ah!
On guard, fag. No. Make chef, not war. Rose.
Oh, no! I hate it! Yeah.
We here at Chef Incorporated, an affiliate of Knott's Production. We here don't eat our vegetables because vegetables are gay. Except when it comes to curly fries from Arby's. Arby's. Life is meaningless. Now, not only am I pro legalization, I'm also very Hasidic. We're gonna make this a potato cake because it's Kwanzaa or whatever the hell the Jewish holiday is. No, I can't actually eat this.
I can. Look at carrot. Try some. It tastes like a fucking bland carrot.
Yeah, it kind of does. And also here, as at Chef Incorporated, we also like our meat very spicy. You gotta give it a good old rub. And also here, we're also oh Jesus Christ.
Luigi, Mario, we need more spaghetti to the cake. Spaghetti? Is this Mom's spaghetti? Yes. That's Mama Luigi to you. Ah. Spaghetti. Mom's spaghetti. Hard and ready. Balls are sweaty. Dick is hard and ready. Eddie. Luigi. I always hated you as brother. I always thought you were a red faggot, you fat ass. Fucking. What? More spaghetti? Want some fucking more spaghetti? Chef, you have done me wrong for the last time. In the flavor realm, I got new powers. Be ready for my latest form. I am Chocolate Man.
You're not bald. Uh-oh. Hey! What are you doing, man? I'm trying to do a show here, man! Hey, you gotta pay extra for that if you're gonna do that all over me.
Dude, you asshole. It's gonna eat. Chocolate's gonna get out of this easy. You done? Are you done? Because I wanna like cook this at some point in time, you know? Sorry about that. Well, he did his own thing and we had to move again because it started to fucking rain. Hopefully the lighting is being a little bit better. How do you have to say about that, anti-chef?
That was pretty good.
All right, well. It's okay. It's over. It's all over. You don't have to vomit anymore. It's okay. We'll get some Arby's after this. All right? We'll get some more Arby's. It kind of tastes kind of bad. Well, let's wash off a little bit, and then we'll bake this shit. Come on. Oh shit, my phone's in there. I'd like to thank our special guest, Anti-Chef, before we bake this shit. Yeah, same here there, buddy. I'd also like to thank Actual Chef for all great 300 movies he's created. Are you done? And who else would I like to thank? I'd like to thank Satan as well. And
Satan's a pretty good fellow, yeah.
Chin Chin, we can't obviously forget him because I mean that's why we're doing this in the first place.
Chin Chin Sugaiski, y'all.
Well, other than the chef, the glorious chef. I'd also like to thank my stomach for, actually no, fuck my stomach because it would have been funnier if I actually vomited. If he actually punched me, I might have actually vomited, but I didn't do that. So let's bake this shit now. Alright, put it in there. This is not gonna be good, I can already tell. Oh, Jesus Christ, this is like a fucking lump. Oh god, it fucking smells horrible.
Good. Yes. Put it on the table.
So now that we're done, and a little bit of a wardrobe change for me, not for old anti-chef here, we're gonna 0 out of 10, not chef. We're gonna bake our cake. So take a good look at it in the light. Yeah, it looks nice.
All right.
It's ready now, so we're finding a little extra support. Just gonna pan. Take a good look at it before something. And it needs to go for put it in there for about 30 minutes. And then we'll come back and check. It would be great if I just vomited right there. Ugh.
The edges are getting kind of crispy.
Yeah, you think we should maybe put it in there, how much longer? Maybe like 20 more minutes?
Yeah.
Oof. Okay, you can definitely smell the broccoli. I smell it.
You can smell the broccoli.
It is starting to harden a little bit. It's gonna be a little gooey on the inside, I think. Let's put another 20 minutes on there.
Oh!
God, I got a face full of heat along with that. It's like just hot. Just
Heat.
hot.
Okay.
Mess.
Just leave it in for the rest of the time.
Yeah. Alright, well, now it's done, so let's take a look, shall we? You know, I thought it would like kind of like dry up more, but it didn't. Right. Ooh. 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 Rye's not very good oven mitts. Just remember that for most of you guys.
Can I take my pants off and just be in my boots and underwear?
Alright.
Because I brought a change of underwear.
We're pretty much gay at this point, so
Yeah.
for what all that we have left, we give to a homeless person.
Oh, we can what?
We go to a homeless person to eat.
No.
The art of baking is a craft. But the art of chef is a mastery. Okay, I regret that. Look at that. Dude, don't. Hold on. This is an art.
Keep it in the season. Wait, that's not blue. It's not green. It's blue.
Red, white, and blue. All right, because we live in America.
It's Christmas, you fuck.
Fucking Kanye. Oh God. Give me more of that. Come on. Give me. I'm hungry. Now we'll add this. Honey, I'm home. So what do we cook up today?
I slaved in the kitchen for hours over this.
You like it, honey?
Have something to drink. Here.
I'm a strong, independent woman, and I don't need your help when it comes to drinking. Oh God, the smell is released.
Get me a piece, sweetie.
Alright, how do you want your oats?
I get it. I'd rather eat rotten prison.
Let me go get some of our.
You know what my mom told me to do today before I left the house?
What?
She said don't do anything stupid.
Yeah, well, we fucked up on that already.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't have enough money because we spent it all on the cake, but I do have some toilet wine. So,
Excellent.
it's a little warm, but
Excellent thing.
how was it, sweetie? It's a little spicy, but it's not that bad. If you eat it fast enough, you won't be able to taste it as much. Okay. So just pound it down. No. I think I have a higher tolerance for disgusting foods than you do. Because I thought it was okay. Like it wasn't horrible.
No, it stopped. I can't. God is dead.
God is dad. Dude, that was the last copy of Chef 9 through 11. Do you know what you did?
It died. Oh fuck! Oh god. No, fuck you. No, 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 no. Oh fuck. God damn it. Oh god. Oh, see? Fucking told you.
Okay, yeah, my body started to reject that as well. No, I'm just waiting because, like,
Have some more fucking milk.
ow, that actually hurt.
It hurt my fucking arm. Oh fuck. Oh, it's on my titty. Stop.
Well, you know,
Oh god. Yeah. God is dead, and we killed him.
well, I don't know if we killed God, but we definitely killed Chef.
We have killed a god. Bush did.
Yeah, Bush killed the first chef, and then we killed.
Need some milk so I wash it.
You mean the toilet wine?
Toilet wine, the white toilet wine, over the cake. Oh.
You want seconds? Waiter, there's a hair. There's. It's like a. It's like a dirty Sanchez. Big man like it. I think, you see, folks, I think today what we learned is, come on, it's a prison static. Get in there. It's really good. Oh god, it's burning my burn. I think we've learned today that life is meaningless and we should all eat at Arby's. Arby's! Go kill yourself.